Hi guys, welcome to another video. As you've probably seen from the title, today's video is my push to 1k giveaway video. Exciting. This is my first ever giveaway, so please go easy on me if I make it sound a little bit confusing. So I want to just start off by wishing a warm welcome to any new subscribers that we've had join us. And to those of you that's been with me for a while now, I want to thank you all so much for your love, for your support. You're all just absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. And I hope you'll continue to stick around and enjoy my videos. So shall we get into taking a look at these amazing prizes? Ooh, we have got some amazing prizes as well, guys. So we've got 3 sponsors. We have got SXC, Varnail and Tobe Glam. And then there's a couple of prizes from myself as well. So SXC has kindly sponsored all 3 of their gel liner kits. All 3, guys. So that is their 12-piece kit, which is this one. I have done a swatch video on this, so I'll just show you the swatch stick very quickly. That is the swatches of the 12-piece kit. Beautiful bright colours. And I love that it's got the black, the white, silver and gold in there as well. So that is the 12-piece kit. Then they've sponsored their 24-piece Pro kit. Really nice kit as well. Again, I have done a swatch video on this one. That is the colours in the 24-piece kit. I really like this one. So you've got some pastel shades, you've got some bright shades. Then you've got your staple colours in there as well. And again, black and white, silver and gold, which I like. So that is the 24-piece Pro kit. Then they've also offered their massive 48-piece Max kit. Huge kit this is. I've not swatched this one, guys. So I can't show you the swatches of that one just yet. But I shall show you pictures on the screen anyway. I'm going to be showing you pictures on the screen of most of the prizes so you can take a look at them. So that is what SXC is sponsoring. Unfortunately though, SXC is only shipping out to the UK, guys. So these are going to be UK only prizes from SXC, as they're going to be shipped from the Amazon UK warehouse. So that's going to be 3 UK winners there. Then we've got Varnail. Varnail has kindly sponsored their 9-piece luminous pudding gels. How cool are they? I love the look of them. I think they're well smart. It's something really different. I like them. And they glow like crazy as well. They've also sponsored 2 mystery gel palettes, which includes their gel brush, which I think I've got here. I really like this brush actually. I reach for it quite a lot. So that's their gel brush. So you get 2 mystery palettes and that brush. That's not all of it either, guys. They've also entered their Alice and Flowers 6-piece gel polish set. I love this set. It's got 2 of my most favourite base colours in it. It's got the rubber pink and it's got the ambrosia. They're beautiful base colours they are. So Varnail's prizes are going to be international. So pretty much everyone's going to be able to enter for these. The only countries that Varnail don't ship to is Egypt and Brazil. And then the other sponsor that we've got is Tobe Glam. Now, this one is a little bit more tricky with who can enter for these. So the best way for you to check is if you've got Amazon in your country. Now, I don't mean if you can order from, say, the Amazon UK and get it shipped to your country. I mean, your country needs to have its own Amazon. Like, you know, you've got Amazon UK for UK. Amazon FR for France, you've got Amazon ES for Spain. That's what I mean. And if Tobe Glam is on your Amazon, then you're going to be able to enter for this prize. I'm hoping this is going to work out. I've planned it in my head. When it comes to writing a comment, I think it will. It better do. Talk about throwing myself in at the deep end with a massive giveaway for my first giveaway, hey? So the Tobe Glam prizes are, they're giving away their butterfly foil glue gel kit. And let me just say, guys, their foil glue gel is the best foil glue gel I've ever tried. And I've tried a few brands now. It is amazing. My go-to foil glue gel, for sure. The next prize is their 6-piece All Glitters Polygel kit. Again, love their polygel. My favourite polygel brand ever. And there's some beautiful colours in there as well. It's a really, really nice kit. And they've also sponsored their True Goddess, which is their red 6-piece gel polish kit. Now, if any of the prizes are out of stock by the time I come to draw the winners, then they will send out another prize equivalent to whatever they was offering. So I just want to put that out there in case anything is out of stock when I draw the winners. So that is all the sponsors. Thank you so much, SXC Varnail and Tobe Glam. Really, really generous prizes. Thank you so much. Now for the prizes that I'm going to be entering. Firstly, most of you guys will know that I absolutely love designer nails. So I thought I would put a little designer nail art bundle together. So let's have a look at this very, very quickly. I'm just going to fly through these, guys. I don't want to keep you all too long. So we've got some Minnie and Mickey designer stickers. We've got some Louis Vuitton designer stickers. So we've got yellow and black. We've got pink. We've got black and blue. And then we've got these silver and black ones. Then we've got some ultra thin neon designer sequins. So these are Gucci. And then we've got these ones which are Louis Vuitton. We've got some gold metal slices, all different ones in there. We've got Playboy, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, YSL, Chanel, Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana. We've got dollar signs. There's all sorts in there. Loads of different ones. What do you see them very well because the light's shining on it. So we've got those. Then we've got, what should we look at next? Should we look at the charms? My favourite things. We've got silver Louis Vuitton. We've got silver YSL. We've got the gold YSL. Got silver Gucci. Got some gold Louis Vuitton with crystals in. We've got some gold Gucci. And then lastly, we've got a Chanel. So I only had one of these left, guys. Sorry. That's the reason why there's only one in there. And these are really nicely curved on the back as well. They fit the nail really, really nice. Really like those. So that's all the charms. And then lastly, we have got loads of foils. Oh, lordy lord, they're all dropping out everywhere. Right, so we've got silver hollow Dior. We've got Supreme, more Dior, mint green Dior, yellow Dior, Garcia, purple Dior, blue Dior, orange, MCM, red Dior, black Dior, Gucci, pink Dior. Don't know what that one is. Not sure what that one is. Gold Dior. And then lastly, we've got the white Dior. So that's everything that's going to be in the designer nail art bundle. I'll just try and put these all back now, aren't I? What on earth? Right, I'm just getting all this put away and then we'll crack straight on. Right, the second prize up for grabs is this brand new Pine Polygel kit. This is a fantastic kit. Look at all the little goodies that you get inside it. Loads of little bits and pieces comes in there. You get a full-size lamp in there as well. Everything that you need to create yourself a full set of polygel nails. And I have tried this Pine Polygel myself as well, and it is a really, really nice polygel to use. I really enjoyed using it. So those two prizes are going to be for UK only. Now, I didn't want to leave out my international subscribers. So I'm going to be entering a £10 PayPal prize. I think that's just going to be so much easier than shipping things out of the UK. Things go missing and shipping is just so expensive now as well. I just think a £10 PayPal prize is just going to be so much easier. So that's going to be £10 in my money, Great British pounds. So whatever that exchanges to, it exchanges to. And that is all the prizes, guys. Again, I want to say a massive thank you to all of the sponsors. Every single prize is just fantastic. Thank you so much. So now for the rules. Now I'm going to write these all down in my description box as well. So if I do confuse you in this video, it'll probably make more sense in the description box where I've written it down. So firstly, I need you to be subscribed to me and the sponsors on YouTube. And also, where I'm going to be writing the rules, guys, I'm also going to be putting the links under there as well. So it's just going to make it so much easier for you. You're not going to have to go around finding anybody. It's all going to be in my description box. So for instance, where rule number 1 is, and I'm going to put must be subscribed to me and the sponsors. Underneath that, I'm going to put my YouTube link, SXC's YouTube link, Varnail's YouTube link, Tobe Glam's YouTube link. So it is literally just going to be a case of clicking the link, subscribe, click the link, subscribe. Super, super easy. Also, can you please make sure that your subscriptions are public as well, please, guys? I see a lot of people writing in giveaway video comments asking how to check this. A lot of people don't know how to check this. So I have made a little 50-second video showing you how to do it. I'm going to leave that at the end of this one. So once this video is over, there'll be at the end where my end screen is, there'll be a little video where you can click on that, and it will take you over to that video, and it will show you how to check if your subscriptions are public, and it will also show you how to change them to public if they're not already. That is really organised for me, isn't it? That has actually impressed me. I am never that organised. The next rule is to be following me and the sponsors on Instagram. Now, if you haven't got Instagram, I don't mind if you want to follow us on Facebook. Whichever is easiest for you, I really don't mind. Again, I'm going to leave all the links in my description box for my Instagram and Facebook, SXC's Instagram and Facebook, etc, etc. So again, it's just going to literally be click the link, follow, click the link, follow. Super, super easy. Then we'd like you to share the giveaway post, what I've put out on my Facebook and Instagram today. Again, I don't mind if you want to do that on Instagram or Facebook, whichever's easiest for you. I really don't mind. Remember to tag me in that as well, guys, so I can go back and check that the winners have done that. While you're here, if you don't mind giving the video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that too. Then once you've done all that, in the comments of this video, I'd like you to leave a comment saying, done, enter me. I'm going to be using the YouTube random comment picker. I think that's just going to be the most fairest, legit way to do it. So I really need you guys to get this bit right now. So for my UK viewers, I need you to comment, done, enter me, UK. That is it. That's all you need to comment. For everyone outside of the UK, I need you to comment, done, enter me. How am I going to do this? The Varnail and Tobe Glam. So, if you're from Egypt or Brazil, if you could comment, done, enter me, I'm from Brazil. Or Egypt, if you're from Egypt, obviously. That way, at least then, when the comment picker picks a winner for the Varnail prize, that way I can see that and I can go straight into redrawing another winner. As for those of you that haven't got the Tobe Glam Amazon store in your country, can you please put in your comment, done, enter me, Tobe Glam not available. And then, like the same as Varnail, I can go on to pick another winner straight away. I think that's going to be the easiest, most less confusing way to do it. And it doesn't take a lot to confuse me, so yeah, I think that's going to be the best way. If a winner is chosen and they've not told me that Varnail or Tobe Glam is not available to be shipped to them, then I'm going to have to record another video doing a redraw. Or if anyone doesn't claim their prize within 48 hours, then again, I'm going to have to do a redraw video. And I really don't want to be having to do any redraw videos, so please follow the rules, guys. So I'm going to be leaving the giveaway open for 2 weeks, unless if I hit 1k before the 2 weeks are up. I didn't want to leave the giveaway open until I hit 1k only because it could take ages. With having sponsors and stuff, yeah, I just don't think that's fair. So, yeah, whichever comes first, 1k or 2 weeks. So today's date is, what's today's date? The 10th of May, 2023. So if I don't hit 1k by the 24th of May, then I'll close the giveaway on the 24th of May and I shall announce the winners the next day. So I shall put a video out announcing the winners on the 25th of May. And that is the only way I will announce the winners, guys. So please be careful of scammers. I remember in Aggie's giveaway video, these scammers was replying to people's comments saying that they had won. They was using Aggie's profile picture and everything. It looked so legit, but it actually wasn't. It was so frustrating. The last thing I want is any of you guys to get scammed. So yeah, please don't fall for any of these scams. I will only be putting out a winners giveaway video. Nobody will be contacting you direct. Nobody will be replying to your comment on this video. Once I put the giveaway winners video out, the winners are going to have 48 hours to send me their contact details. So that's going to be your name, your address, and possibly be a contact number for shipping purposes. But I'll let you know more about that in the winners draw video anyway. And guys, if you don't win, please don't be a baby and unsubscribe. That's just shit. There's going to be more giveaways coming, and I may also need to redraw some of these winners. So you're just going to end up shooting yourself in the foot, really. And it's just shit. And also, please follow all the rules, because we will be checking, and if we need to do a redraw, we will do a redraw. I've made it easy enough by putting all the links in the description box along with the rules. It's just not fair on everyone else that has followed the rules, you know. Not only that, these giveaways are so stressful. They take a lot of organising. The sponsors have been super kind with all their amazing prizes. So yeah, not following the rules is just shady as fuck in my eyes. So that's it for the rules, guys. Lastly, I just want to say a massive thank you from the bottom of my heart. You're just all super supportive, not just for subscribing, but for watching my videos, for all your beautiful comments. They mean the absolute world to me. You guys mean the absolute world to me. Never did I think I would have such a lovely bunch of subscribers. You're all just amazing. I love each and every one of you. And I wouldn't be where I am now if it wasn't for you guys. Never did I even dream of getting anywhere near 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I just want to thank you all so much. And that is it, guys. That is my first ever giveaway video. I hope I haven't confused you all too much. Like I said, everything's going to be in my description box. So go and get entering. Tell your friends about the giveaway as well, if you want to. The sooner I hit 1k, the sooner we can close this giveaway and draw the winners. So I want to wish you all the very best of luck. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.